Flames shoot into the sky as firefighters tackle the worst forest fires in Chilean history. More than 200,000 hectares of land have already been burnt to the ground. Now the wildfire has spread to urban areas across central and southern Chile.
It hit us hard. All of a sudden, this whole area was on fire. It swept through very quickly. Luckily, I managed to get my father, my 2 dogs, and my horse, and we escaped over there.
It
engulfed the place in seconds, mere seconds. And the way the wind was blowing was like a demon had entered the community.
The government says its top priority is saving people from the raging inferno. Thousands have been evacuated from their homes. Helicopters sweep across the region trying to extinguish the flames. On board one of them, Chile's president surveys the damage.
We've declared a state of catastrophe, and now we're taking the necessary measures. We aren't excluding the possibility of the fire being intentional given how widespread it is. The police have already arrested several people in connection.
Forest fires are a common occurrence in Chile, but authorities have been overwhelmed. The president was forced to source extra funds and seek international aid. Backups already arrived from Mexico, Argentina, Peru, and even France.